Welcome to HSE Nexus and Expo 2025, organized by Wolcus, a global event designed to redefine workplace health, safety, and environmental practices, taking place in Berlin, Germany. This transformative conference and exhibition will showcase groundbreaking solutions, foster collaboration, and empower industries to shape a safer and sustainable future. At its core, HSE Nexus and Expo 2025 bridges innovation and collaboration. This two-day event is the ultimate platform for industries to explore pioneering strategies, technologies, and insights that elevate health, safety, and environmental standards across workplaces. This event is tailored for HSE leaders, CEOs, directors, senior management, managers, and specialists across industries. It's your chance to learn from global thought leaders, exchange ideas, and implement strategies that create safer and more efficient workplaces. Whether you lead a small team or a multinational organization, HSE Nexus is your gateway to staying ahead. Discover insights from some of the brightest minds in workplace safety. Representing globally recognized companies, will share their expertise and innovative approaches to tackling today's critical HSE challenges. Participate in hands-on workshops, engaging panel discussions, and unparalleled networking opportunities. Collaborate with peers, exchange actionable ideas, and form partnerships that will reshape the way you approach workplace safety and sustainability. Step into the HSE Expo, where innovation takes center stage. Explore the latest advancements in workplace safety technology, sustainable solutions, and risk management tools. From AI-driven predictive maintenance to smart fire safety systems, the Expo is a hub of groundbreaking ideas. Immerse yourself in discussions on pivotal topics such as tech innovation and automation in workplace safety, ESG and HSE, building a sustainable future, AI-powered predictive maintenance for risk reduction, smart fire safety solutions for lithium-ion batteries, mental health and well-being in HSE practices, behavioral safety and stronger safety cultures, ergonomics and experiential learning in workplace health, from construction and manufacturing to healthcare, oil and gas, automotive, logistics, aviation, renewable energy. HSE Nexus and Expo 2025 serves a diverse range of industries. If safety and sustainability are your priorities, this is your must-attend event of the year. Don't miss the chance to be part of HSE Nexus and Expo 2025. Experience a city rich in culture and innovation. Join us in Berlin on May 6th to 7th, 2025, and take your place at the forefront of workplace safety innovation.